how are you all? It's me, Casey, or Haley, whatever you want to call me. I go by Casey mainly. So I'm going to teach you all how to tie a Kyuki-Do belt. Now, if you guys don't know what Kyuki-Do is, I'll put like a little, I'll describe it in the description. So I'm going to show you like 2 different ways to tie your belt, and I might show you the black belt way, so shh. Okay, so first I'm going to show you which belt that actually fits me. This one doesn't, so I'll show you a way to tie this. But first, I'm going to start out. In this month, I'm going to be ranking up to like green stripe, so yeah. Okay, so you want to find the middle of the belt, like this, but on your stomach, right here, and you go down, in the back, come around, like this, make sure it's lined up, then the right side goes over the left side. Right side goes to the left side, and this will go underneath both layers of the belt. So it hangs down like this. Then you can tighten up your belt. This is a brand new belt, so by the way. And you want this part right here, this side goes like this. And you want this side to go like this. And this side right here goes underneath. And then, bam. That's how your belt should look. Just like this. And now in Kyuki-Do, we tie our belt the way Taekwondo people do. So this is basically the way Taekwondo belts are supposed to be, but they're on this side. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the other way. Tie your belt, like say if you have a belt that doesn't fit you. Okay, so say you have this belt. Let me show you that it doesn't fit. See, this will not fit me at all. So, what you want to do is find the middle. The middle will go on your back. And then around like this. Okay, and same with the other belt. Right side goes over the left side. And bring it through the first side of the belt. And then you can tighten it. And then same way we did with the last one. This side goes like this, and this side goes underneath. There you go, just like that. That is the second way you can tie your belt. Now, I might show you guys the black belt way. Let me show you guys the black belt way. And your martial arts instructor won't teach you this until you're actually a black belt. But I actually know how the black belts tie their belt. Get this belt again. Okay, so with the black belt tie, it is a very specific tie. So I'm gonna try not to get this wrong. Okay, so you want the belt just like the middle of the belt, just like this. Now you can do this one of 2 ways, but like this, and then like this, you go on the middle of your back, and then you're gonna wrap it around twice. And the black belt tie, black belt, they don't have a buckle in the back. Okay, so you go like this. And now you can also adjust your belt too, and then bring the other side out like this. Okay, you can check the length if you want to. Okay, so just like this. And then you go, of course, right side goes over the left side. And you bring it under the flares of the belt. And then you tighten it. This is the way black belts tie the belt, anywho. And same thing we did last part. I want to check your length of your belt too, because you want it to be tied properly. like correct length, okay? Of course, this side goes in like this, and this side goes in like this, and bam. There you go. That is the black belt tie. Alrighty, hope you all enjoyed this video, and have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Love you all.